What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have our hands on the highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. These phones are big literally and figuratively. We're talking larger displays, insane new features, and of course that A18 Pro chip. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about these monster displays. The iPhone 16 Pro comes in at 6.3 inches, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max, a whopping 6.9 inches. That's the largest screen ever on an iPhone, and Apple somehow managed to make them bigger without feeling bulky. Slimmer bezels and a refined design keep things sleek. Check this out. I've got the 16 Pro Max right next to last year's 15 Pro Max, and they're only marginally different in size. But what's really impressive? Those bezels. These are the slimmest borders we've seen on any iPhone. Under the hood, both models come with the all-new A18 Pro chip. This thing is a beast. Designed specifically for Apple Intelligence, it's 15% faster and uses 20% less power. This means more power and longer battery life. So, what can you do with all this extra power? For starters, you can summarize notes or emails in a flash. And for gamers out there, the improved 6-core GPU makes console-like visuals a reality. Playing games like Honor King's World, absolutely stunning with smooth animations and visuals. And now, let's talk about what we all love, the cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro models come with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera that takes your macro photography to the next level. I mean, check out these details from a flower I shot up close, absolutely stunning. And the new camera control button. It makes snapping photos and zooming smoother than ever. Just swipe your finger along the button to zoom in and out. It's intuitive, but I'll be honest, it can feel a bit finicky at times. Still, I'm sure I'll be using it to make sure I never miss a shot. Now, here's something a lot of you care about: battery life. Apple promises up to 29 hours of streaming video on the Pro Max. That's 4 hours longer than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And thanks to the 18 Pro's efficiency, you'll definitely notice the improvement. However, Apple is still sticking with 25-watt charging, which is kind of a bummer when compared to faster Android charging speeds. Alright, let's talk money. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999 for 128GB, while the Pro Max starts at $1,199 with 256GB standard. If you want to go all out, you can get up to 1 terabyte of storage for $1,599 on the Pro Max. It's definitely an investment, but you're getting top-tier performance and premium design. So, is the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max worth it? Absolutely. The larger displays, new camera control button, and the power-packed A18 Pro chip make these some of the best phones out there. Personally, I'm leaning towards the Pro Max for that extra battery life and screen real estate, but if you're looking for something a little smaller with all the same power, the regular Pro is your best bet. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment below: are you Team Pro or Pro Max? And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on reviews. I'll see you in the next one.